Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Accounts Tips. This is my 12th video related with this measures of central tendency. In this video, I am going to discuss the cumulative frequency series and the median. This question that calculate median of the following series, wage rate that is less than given number of workers. Wage rate less than given and number of workers also given in the question. From this you calculate a median. So first step is the cumulative frequency of less than type is converted into simple frequency distribution. Once again, first step, the cumulative frequency of less than. Here wage rate less than 10. Less than 10 means 0 to 10. Less than 10 wage rate, number of workers 15. Less than 20, number of workers 35. Less than 30, number of workers 60. So this number of workers here given is cumulative frequency. So this cumulative frequency of less than type is converted into simple frequency distribution. So let's start. So this wage rate less than 10 converted into 0 to 10. Less than 10 means 0 to 10. Less than 20. Less than 20, actually less than 20 means 0 to 20. Less than 20 means 0 to 20. But we convert this less than values into proper class intervals. Then we make 0 to 10, 10 to 20, then next class is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like that. But the cumulative frequency that is given in the question, this we calculated, or this cumulative frequency that we converted into the normal frequency, that step is quite different. So less than 10, 0 to 10, less than 20, next class interval 10 to 20. So in that way we first arrange this class interval. Then next step is this number of workers, that is this is the cumulative frequency given in the question. Then less than 10 means 0 to 10. 0 to 10, that number of workers 50. So 0 to 10, 15. Cumulative frequency also 15. That frequency given in the question is 15. Then actual frequency, that also 15. That also 15. Then next one is less than 20. Less than 20 means 0 to 20. Less than 20 means first 0 to 20. That value is 35. Sorry, that number of workers is 35. But our class interval is only 10 to 20. So how we can find out the actual frequency of this 10 to 20? 0 to 20, that is 35. What we need? We need 10 to 20. We know 0 to 10 frequency 15. Then 0 to 20, 35. So in between this 10 to 20, in between this 10 to 20 means 35 minus 50. 35 minus 50. So 35 minus 15 is equal to 20. So this frequency is 20. Next 30. Less than 30. Less than 30 means 0 to 30. 0 to 30, that cumulative frequency 60 given. But what we need? We need 20 to 30. In between this 20 to 30, actual frequency we need. So same like this, 0 to 30, that frequency is 60. 0 to 30, Less than 30 means 0 to 30. That frequency is 60. What we need? We need 20 to 30. 20 to 30. That frequency we need. We know 0 to 20 is 35. Then 20 to 30 means 60 minus 35. This 60 minus 35. So that is 25. This answer is frequency is 25. Next one is less than 40. Less than 40 also same 0 to 40. Less than 40 means 0 to 40. That cumulative frequency is 84. What we need? We need a 30 to 40. 30 to 40. 30 to 40. So 0 to 30, 60. Then 30 to 40 means 84 minus 60. 84 minus 60. That is 24. This one is 24. Next, less than 50 means 0 to 50. 0 to 50, 96. Frequency 96. We need a 40 to 50. So 0 to 40, 84. Then 40 to 50, in between this 96 minus 84. 96 minus 84. That is 12. Answer is 12. Next one is less than 60. 0 to 60. Less than 60 means 0 to 60. Then 0 to 60, that same. 0 to 50, 96. Then 50 to 60, 50 to 60, that class interval. Actual frequency we need, that is 127 minus 96. 127 minus 96. That is 31. This is 31. Next one, less than 70 means 0 to 70. 0 to 70, same way you calculate. 0 to 60, 127. Then 60 to 70, this class interval 60 to 70 means 198 minus 127. 198 minus 127. That is 71. Last, 0 to 80. Less than 80 means 0 to 80. So this value 250. So 0 to 70, 198. So 70 to 80 means 250 minus that 198. That is 52. 52. So in this type of questions, first less than or more than, that is given in the question, but that value is not the actual frequency. That value representing the cumulative frequency. So first of all, you convert this less than values into a proper class intervals, and this cumulative frequency you converted into normal frequency, simple frequency distribution. So in this way we calculate. Next step is, our question is calculate a median. From this we calculate a median. So for this calculation purpose, we need this portion only: wage rate, cumulative frequency and frequency. This part is not required. So I am going to rub this part, but because this part is not required for the calculation. This value, this question we converted into the proper class interval and frequency and cumulative frequency already given in the question. Then how we can find out the median class, and that median class values we applied, put it in the this equation. Then how we can find out the median class? Median class M is equal to size of n by 2 the item. Size of n by 2 the item. Then size of n by 2. Here n is equal to frequencies total. Frequencies total and this cumulative frequency, that last value, both are equal. So sigma f or n is equal to 250. n is equal to 250. 250 divided by 2th item, that is 125th item. 125th item representing the median class. This 125th item means this cumulative frequency till 96 representing 40 to 50 class. Then 125 means this class representing the 125th value. So 50 to 60 is the median class. Frequency 31. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So this one is the CF, this one is F. This one is F and this one is the frequency of the median class. Then next step, apply to the equation. M is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. Then L1, lower limit of the median class, 50 plus n by 2, that is 125, minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Preceding class means 40 to 50. That class cumulative frequency, that is 96, divided by frequency, that is 31 into 10. That is 50 plus 125 minus 96, that is 29, divided by 31 into 10 is equal to 50 plus this value division after dividing and multiplying this 9.35. So 59.35 is the median wage rate. So the median wage rate of this particular series is 59.35. So I hope you understood this video. So this type of calculation or this type of questions, first you convert this less than or more than values into a proper class intervals, and most of the time that cumulative frequency is given in the question, that you converted into a normal frequency. So this is the way to calculate this type of problems. Then I hope you understood. Then I will come with more videos related with this type of measures of central tendency median calculations. Until then, bye.